Welcome back to another episode of Auto Amateur. In today's video, it's like birthdays and holidays and parties and Christmas have all mashed into one because we have got a stack of goodies to open. All of these behind me are parts for Project 996. Most exciting, we've got the Fister muffler system from FD Motorsports to open. I am so excited to show you all of these parts. Let's get to it. So Patrick's here with me. Steve hasn't yet arrived. Steve is late today, so we're just gonna carry on without him. We're gonna start opening goodies. Patrick, how about you open the ducktail first? Let's get the ducktail open.
Sounds like a plan to me. I need to know how to use a knife.
I have multiple knives that you can choose from. You want to bring it over to the cabinet?
That's a glorious piece of equipment.
That's pretty nice.
Oh. Look at that.
That looks great. So there are a couple of different styles of ducktail that you can buy out there. You can go like all out for about $1,500 and get one that's going to take up the entire rear of the car. You can get them in carbon fiber. This is, to be fair, a relatively basic one. It's just going to replace the top of the deck lid. But it's, you know, guaranteed fitments. It was about $500. It comes pre-installed with the vents. Do you want to hold it over the back of the car and see what it looks like?
Basically, we're going to be replacing this active spoiler.
Right.
That spoiler right there.
That's going to look great. And it's primed, it's ready for painting.
Yep.
So when we, 100% pick our color, we'll take it along with the car and it'll get painted and then we can install it ourselves.
That's going to look nice.
It's going to look really good. Nice.
That's sporty.
Okay guys, the moment has come. We are going to open up the Fister mufflers. I am so excited. Let's get them open. Look, we can get free stickers.
I see that.
So behind me here, I've got the Fister mufflers out. I'm really, really excited for this. So big shout out to Darren Fister at FD Motorsports. These are gonna sound great on the 996, just like they sounded on my 997. In fact, I think Pat's already sold just on looking at them. Pat's gonna be getting some for his 997. What's great about FD Motorsports, I mean, number one, Darren is an absolutely top guy. He's like a rock star in this industry. He's been working on Porsches forever. These are probably the best bang for your buck. When I had my 997, I was looking at other exhaust options, and of course there are fantastic exhaust systems out there. Soul Performance to say one, Fab Speed to say another. But essentially, you know, you spend just over $1,000 on these mufflers. They arrive, you send back the ones that you take off the car. It's called a core exchange. And then Darren Fister gives you a refund for about $500 or thereabouts. So essentially you're getting an incredible factory-like sound, because it's still the OEM mufflers, but with the hack, with the additional, with the bypass valve there. So you're getting essentially your stock sounding exhaust dialed up to a 12 or a 13. They sound phenomenal. And essentially what works out to be about $500 or $600 at the end is well worth the money. So you should really check them out. FD Motorsports, Darren Fister, and the Fister Mufflers. Oops. Look at that! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! So here they are, guys. Here are the Fister mufflers, and they look great. One for each side, of course. They've been finished in black velvet. You can see here that we've got the really awesome Fister logo here. Here is where the bypass valve is. This essentially has been added. This gives you a partial bypass of the muffler, which gives you that really gritty, grunting sound. I cannot wait to get these installed. Pat, let's see what Santa brought us this time.
All right. I'm not accustomed to working with these sharp knives like this. Cut a finger off.
Steve is missing out on all this fun. Where is he?
We'll save the air filters for him.
Oh, so this is, yeah, these look like our refinished exhaust tips.
Right now they look like horse feet.
So I think these might also be velvet black, which is going to work really well with our wheels, of course.
Ooh. Those
oh yeah,
so much nicer.
I mean, they look pretty sad when they came off the car.
Oh, they look horrendous. We were looking at them thinking they were junk.
That's fantastic. More magic from Fister Motorsports.
I think I got it right side up.
Let's hope I just didn't put that through the finish. That would be pretty sad. I like how they've packaged these.
Yeah.
You know, protecting the rim.
Oh, it's an actual plastic piece around
yeah.
too. That's...
Just needs a little bit of cleaning. That wasn't as satisfying as I thought it was going to be.
That did the trick.
They look good.
Yes, they do.
These rims were from eBay. They are aftermarket. They are Fuchs-like. They're 19-inch. They worked out to be, what was it, about 180 a wheel? 190 a wheel, something like that. We, of course, have got to put tires on top of them, but what a great finish. We've got black on silver. We got the center caps, which are looking really good. And we already took the liberty of putting one on the car, which I think looks really good.
I look, it looks amazing.
Yeah, I think they really are going to make the, you know, give the car some good character.
Mm-hmm. A nice presence. Once you get some rubber on them and on the ground. So guys, no Steve today, and this is the end of a ridiculously hot auto amateur video here in the garage. It must be at like 100 degrees, I'm dying. We've got some great parts here. The Fister exhaust mufflers, if nothing else, but the wheels, the ducktail, I'm really excited about getting that installed. The next big job is the transmission. That is on its way, thankfully. We should be getting that in the next few days. So we'll put the clutch in, put the transmission in. We'll then get the brake calipers back, which are going to be painted or powder coated. And then we get to take the car to paint. And then when it comes back, we're then going to finish with all of the different accents we're going to apply. So I don't know if we're halfway yet or not, but it kind of feels like we're almost there. So thanks for all your comments and support. Keep the comments coming, keep the ideas coming. And we'll see you in the next video soon. Bye.